Hey guys, welcome back to Delstack. Today I will be showing you how to enable cookies on a Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is you can just simply go ahead and go open up your Brave. Now, once you are here on the Brave tab, you can just simply go ahead and go to the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now, once you are here, you can just simply go ahead and go for the settings over here down below. It will be the gear icon. Now, once you are here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for the shields over here on the left side of the screen. Now, once you are here on the shields tab, you can just simply go ahead and go for the block cookies over here. As you can see, in default, it will be block third-party cookies. So make sure to select allow all cookies. Pretty much changing these settings will enable all the cookies that you have into your browser. And pretty much you could utilize this feature of the Brave that you don't want to block any cookies and you want to take all the cookies that you need. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.